For existing Wegmans Pharmacy customers, switching to home delivery is easy. Go to wegmans.com/pharmacyonline and sign in using your Wegmans online account. That's the same information you use to sign in to our Wegmans app. Don't have a Wegmans online account? Click Sign Up and follow the steps. Once signed in, you'll need to add a credit card to cover co-pays. In the top navigation bar, click Account. Then click Payment Options in the left column and add a card. Fill in the form and click Save. You can now transfer your prescriptions to home delivery. Click Prescriptions in the top toolbar. Then click on Refill for the prescription you'd like to receive using home delivery. Here you'll see a green check mark next to the medication you want to refill. Then click Select. Under Pickup Details, click the Mail Order option. The credit card information and shipping address you have on file will appear. Click Order Refill, and your prescription will now be delivered to your home. Free standard shipping takes 5 to 10 business days, so make sure to plan ahead when requesting a refill. Expedited shipping is available. Please call us. And tell your doctor to send new medications to Wegmans Home Delivery Pharmacy for electronic prescribing.